Cabinet Minister Kyrmen has said that he will always support developmental projects such as railways if it benefits the state positively. He was reacting to political leaders from East Giant Hills supporting the move to implement railways in East Giant Hills, wherein the minister maintained that if railways benefit the state and its people, he will always favour the move. Reacting to NGOs in Giant Hills opposing the railway, citing influx and if the inner line permit implementation will pave the way for railways in the state, Shylla said that the government can at least consider goods trains for the time being.
So I believe that this time, any project, even the railway in East India, if it comes, I believe it will come with the concern of the people of East India Hills. At the same time, with the profit for the people of East India Hills and the state as a whole. So for this, we will have, as of now, we have verbally discussed with a few friends, especially the stakeholders. So they are keen to, with the concern of the some representative, that we will have a meeting where we'll ask the concern of the people. If they are for the railway, then we will ask the Chief Minister to implement it. If all the peoples are against it, then we have to go against that.